In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Tinkercad grid bigger so you can have more space to work with on your design. If you've ever felt limited by the default workplane size, this quick tip will help you resize the grid in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your Tinkercad project and make sure you're in the editor. Once your design is loaded, look down to the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where Tinkercad keeps the grid and snap settings, and this is also where you'll find the option to change the size of your workplane. Now click the Settings button. It should be right next to the snap grid number. So if you see something like 1 mm, 5 mm, or 10 mm, the settings control will be nearby. When you click it, a grid settings window will appear. Inside this window, you'll see the current width and length of the grid. These values control how large your work area is in Tinkercad. To make the grid bigger, simply click into each box and type in the new size you want. You can increase both dimensions to give yourself a larger workspace for bigger models, longer designs, or more comfortable layout planning. Keep in mind that Tinkercad has a maximum grid size of 1000 mm by 1000 mm, so if you try to go beyond that, it won't allow it. A good idea is to choose a size that gives you enough room without making your project harder to manage. After you enter your new dimensions, double-check the numbers to make sure everything looks right. This is especially important if you want the grid to match a specific project size or physical measurement. Once you're ready, click the blue Update Grid button to apply the changes. Tinkercad will refresh the workplane, and you should now see a larger grid area available in your editor. That means you can build with more freedom and place objects farther apart if needed. If your project involves larger parts, multiple components, or just a more spacious layout, this setting can make a big difference. If you ever want to change it again, just go back to Settings and repeat the same process. It's a simple adjustment, but it can save you a lot of frustration when working on bigger designs. So that's how to make the Tinkercad grid bigger. Open the editor, click Settings, enter your new width and length, and hit Update Grid. It only takes a moment, but it can make your design experience much easier. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful Tinkercad tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.